This is a Yoga Nidra session for beginners and for those who are relatively new to this practice. Yoga Nidra is usually carried out whilst lying in the supine position, face up on your back. You may lie in your bed, on a yoga mat, on a couch, or anywhere where you feel comfortable remaining in the same position for 20 minutes or more. If you have any injury or any kind of pain which prevents you from lying on your back, or if you are pregnant, you may prefer to lie on your side. If you have a tendency to fall asleep as soon as you lie down, you may also practice Yoga Nidra in the seated position or sitting down with your back resting against a wall. So when you have chosen your preferred position, let's get comfortable for Yoga Nidra. Adjust your head, neck, shoulders, pelvis, and hips. What can you do to make yourself feel even more comfortable? Adjust yourself accordingly. Then say gently to yourself, I intend to stay awake and aware during this Yoga Nidra practice. I intend to stay awake and aware during this Yoga Nidra practice. Repeat that to yourself now. Now, notice all the places where your body is in contact with the surface that you are lying upon. Focus on the back of your head, your shoulder blades, your tailbone, your calves, your heels. Bring your attention to your navel area. Notice your navel rising and falling as you inhale and exhale. Feel your lower belly expand like a balloon as you inhale. Then feel your lower belly move back towards your navel as you exhale. Continue at your own pace, simply breathing naturally and observing the rise of your belly as you inhale and the lowering of your belly as you exhale. Now focus your attention on the sounds in your environment. Notice the sounds in the distance, farthest away from you. Notice any sounds arising in your room. Listen to the sound of your body breathing. We now turn our attention to the Sankalpa. The Sankalpa could be described as your heart's purpose or heart's intent. It is a positive inner declaration that you know to be true right now, or a quality you wish to cultivate. For this practice you may use the following Sankalpa. I am gently resting all the layers of myself. Focus on your heart center at the center of your chest, between the breasts, and mentally whisper this Sankalpa to yourself 3 times. I am gently resting all the layers of myself. And now, for the rotation of awareness, simply move your attention to the different parts of your body as you hear them named, following the guidance of my voice. Focus your attention on the center of the forehead, the base of the throat, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, the base of the throat, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, the back of the throat, the center of the chest, right side of the chest, center of the chest, left side of the chest, navel, pelvis, right hip, right knee, right ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, right ankle, right knee, right hip, pelvis. left hip, left knee, left ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, left ankle, left knee, left hip, pelvis, navel, heart center, base of the throat, the center of the forehead. Observe the flow of breath through your nostrils. No need to do anything to change the pattern of your breathing. Simply observe your breath. Listen, sense, and feel. Observe the energetic sensations in your body. Notice any flowing or tingling vibrations. Now see in your mind's eye a lit candle and focus your attention on the flame of the candle. What colors do you see? What aroma do you smell? Sink your attention deeper into the flame of the candle. Now gently let the image of the candle dissolve and rest in spacious awareness. Rest in the pure presence of unconditional love. Return your attention to your heart center and repeat the Sankalpa 3 more times. I am gently resting all the layers of myself. With eyes remaining closed, bring your awareness back to your environment, noticing the outline of your body. Feel the touch of the air on your skin. Notice all the places where your body is in contact with the surface that you are lying upon. Focus on the back of your head, your shoulder blades, your tailbone, your calves, your heels. Take 2 quick inhalations through your nose and then let out a long sigh through your mouth. And once again, 2 quick inhalations through your nose and then a long sigh through your mouth. And one more time. 2 quick inhalations through the nose and then a long sigh. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently move your head from side to side. You may wish to stretch your arms above your head and point your toes. Take another deep breath and gently open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. You may return to this recording again and again to practice if you wish. My name is Chantel. Thank you for practicing Yoga Nidra with me today.